No? Welcome? Keep your heads by the little boo-boo things. That's like a traditional thing, isn't it? Little goofballs. Are you ready to go inside and see what's all going on today? Alright. Yes, we just got here. I just finished setting up camp. It does look like it's going to rain anytime now. They're about to go down a water slide. Is it, guys? Hey, Alana! Is it cold? How you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Not too bad.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that. Well, there's a good deal.
I told you Boo Boo would be waiting for you, bud.
The one in the red sweatshirt's the one we call Boo Boo, though. Right? Why don't you go sit on Cindy's lap? There you go. Well, this is working out nice. We got the whole park to ourselves, pretty much. Yeah, not a bad deal. Oh, here we go. The blue bag is going to be fossils. You want fossils or gems?
I don't care.
You know the difference, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's the red?
The red is going to be, yes, Christopher.
You know, I'll be fossils tomorrow. I got a purple one.
Yep, go back over there.
Can you get me my cup?
Yep.
Not putting it outside. Favorite color? Can I have some more?
Good idea.
Ooh, that's what I like.
Need some more in there, Christopher?
Whoa, it's an arrowhead. That is huge. How big that one is.
How many was that? Par? Nice.
Is smarter than the average bear. Lucky Bear is always in the danger's hair. At the picnic table you will find him there. Stopping down more goodies in the calorie fair. You will sneak, you will not before it's done. In every picnic basket that's in California. Brody has it better than a millionaire. Lucky Bear is smarter than the average bear.
Rained overnight. It's about 7:30 right now. We've been up for about 2 hours. Starting breakfast. Bedtime started at about 7 o'clock. Asleep by about 8:30-ish. And then the baby over there started crying at about midnight for about an hour. That was nice. And then Alana was up at 5. Well, Bird's about 4:30. Alana at about 5. So we're doing well. Breakfast. Some Sunny Delights. Good morning, Christopher. Alright. 7 o'clock. Wednesday evening. We were planning going home Thursday during the day, spending one more evening. But we have one child sick in there. And we have one child in that tent, sound asleep, and 2 are playing somewhere. So I have to get all this into here in an hour and a half. I think I can do it. Yep. All of this needs to be packed up without waking Sleeping Beauty. I think he's gonna be wakened. Unbelievable. I just moved him from there to there. And he didn't wake up. Wow. One tent down, one tent to go. There's the other subject. Okay, where are you going, Ellie?
Going to the movies.
And what do you have there?
Green top.
Ooh, that sounds good. I wonder what the movie's gonna be. You have any idea?
Nope. Yogi.
I think it might be Yogi too. Alright, you girls go have fun. We'll come look for you in a little bit. Bye. I can do it. I'll have to see the Yogi Bear movie. Have to wake him up eventually to get those in the car. I can do it. Alright, one more thing that we need to take care of here. Tom is helping me here get the car started because it's not starting. So this will add to the beauty of our trip, part of our excitement here. I appreciate your help, Mr. Tom. Alright, gear fire up. Alright. Alright, still light out, movie's still going on, camp is pretty clean, car is packed, car is running, not as packed as what it was before. Well, it is as packed as it was before. But we're in. Let's roll.